Hey everybody, I'm back here with Down by the Shore. I was asked to show y'all how to put these in. Now, right now I cannot remember the proper name. It will be listed on the title. So that is that. I am Christi with Christi Creations and a mixed media artist. So these are little, I want to call it a little journal section because that's where you can write and put on it. But I'm not positive what it's called. So first things first, I'm picking where I can put it on one of the outer edges to glue it. I already have all my tabs pre-folded. I'm going to just use some, you can use liquid glue, double-sided tape, or any of those things you want to. You will put the glue on the tab. You'll line your tab up where you want it. At the very edge if you can. And for some reason that's longer than the edges. Weird. Okay, there you go. There's one. Let's do number two. Now, this is the part y'all were wanting more information on. So you had this already down. We're just going to add a little bit more space and between them, and then we're just going to lay that down. Glue it so it has a little bit of a gap. You'll do 3 and then 4, the same exact way. Here is number 3. And last one is number 4. You can do 3, 2, 1, and then 4, or so forth, because I'm going with the way the tabs go. And that's up to you on that one. Alright, and that did not line up where I wanted it to. About right there. And nope. Still not wanting to go where I wanted it to go. Okay. About there. And press those down. And there you have our your little tag section. Now you can do something fun and add more stuff back here. So that maybe put that in as a hit where you can kind of peek out, and you open it and you can see it. You can put things on the back of these and so forth. So that is how you add those. And as you can see, they will just fold right up. There'll be a little bit of gap there, but that's why I kind of like the idea of a hidden thing there. And it closes up without issue. So this is how you add your journal section. At least that's what I'm calling it right now. I hope that helped y'all. Thank you for watching. Bye.